Welcome to the spring semester and welcome to your general chemistry course that is online. There's a couple of things that we need to go over as you get started in the semester, and you've already done the first thing. You've opened this announcement. So you're already on your way. When you open up your course, the first place I want you to go is the Getting Started and Welcome Start Here. There is a little bit of information in that folder, so please read that. But when you get to that Start Here, you'll find that you have a little bit about me as your instructor. There is an online student contract. You need to do this before most of the information in the semester is available to you. So please get in there, start looking at the materials. I've also would like you to introduce yourself to the class, and I have given you a detailed what needs to be done this week. As you can see, there's lots of information, a lot of administrivia to get us started, but there are two key things that I want you to do to make sure that you're there. You must be enrolled in a laboratory. And as I sent out an email to many of you, you need to be aware that if you are taking the online laboratory per the state's equivalency agreement, this class may not count as a laboratory class if you have taken the online lab. So most of you should be in an in-person lab on one of our three campuses. You can take it on each of the three campuses, and if you need some help with that laboratory, please let me know and we can get you enrolled. For those of you in the online laboratory, I'm going to refer you to the online laboratory module in Blackboard, and I have a few announcements over there for that class as well. But the first thing you really want to do is you want to get familiar with Blackboard. As you can see, if you've been at NOC before, we are using a little bit of different Blackboard. This is the Blackboard Ultra, and my class is actually in Ultra. So I want you to get, it's a little different, navigation is a little different, and you can actually see the student preview, and I will actually click over and you can see exactly how your particular system will look. So here's our student preview. We'll give it just a second. And this should look very much like what you see in the class, and you really want to start in that first folder. Please review that. You also have Getting Started with Your Course Materials. This is the access to your book. There is a copy of the syllabus. Here is my instructor information. And in this folder, I have resources that are available to you to start getting that information. So if you have any questions, you'll see quickly that I'm going to post a frequently asked questions bulletin board. So if you're having any technical issues, if you have a question, it's likely that someone else in the class has a question. You can email me directly by clicking this email, and I'm very excited to have you here in class. And again, send me an email, respond to the frequently asked questions board, and your first place to go is the Getting Started right there, and you can get started. I know we're going to have a great semester. Online learning is a little challenging, but if you keep up with your weekly assignments, you should do just fine. And I will see you soon virtually.